Welcome back to Bikeverse. When it comes to super trucks, bigger isn't always better. This is the 2024 Chevy Colorado ZR2, the smallest super truck on the market, and that's exactly what makes it great. You don't need a truck the size of a city block with an engine from a cargo ship to have a great time. Sure, we love the Ford Raptor and Ram TRX, but if you're not looking to daily drive a main battle tank, the Colorado ZR2 is the truck for you. This mid-size super truck still has a sense of occasion on the road while being easy to park and fitting in your highway lane with space to spare. 310 horsepower from a turbocharged 2.7-litre inline-4. 430 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds on 33-inch tires. Legendary Multimatic spool valve shocks. The Colorado ZR2 is the perfect truck for the space-conscious enthusiast. Turbocharged inline-4 excellence. The 2024 Colorado ZR2 ditches the previous 3.6-litre V6 in favor of Chevy's revolutionary 2.7-litre turbocharged inline-4, and it's spectacular. 310 horsepower and a massive 430 pound-feet of torque, elevating performance to supercar levels. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds, impressive considering those heavy 33-inch tires. This wasn't just an engine swap, this was a complete clean sheet design. Dual volute turbocharger housing, reducing turbo lag and improving low-end torque. Continuously variable valve timing for improved efficiency. Aluminum block and head reinforced to handle insane 22 psi of boost. That long 102mm stroke usually increases friction, but Chevy's unique offset crankshaft keeps pistons centered in the bore, reducing friction losses. Forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods for truck duty durability. During cold starts, you hear that turbo spooling under acceleration. You feel the boost building. This engine brings character and excitement to the turbocharged 4-cylinder formula. Multimatic suspension magic. Here's where the Colorado ZR2 becomes truly magical, those incredible Multimatic spool valve shocks. Multimatic are motorsport legends, and the original Colorado ZR2 was their first truck application. For 2024, both Chevy and Multimatic stepped up their game, developing even better suspension. During on-road driving, these shocks deliver a controlled yet supple experience. You can take corners at speeds you never imagined, yet the chassis isn't upset by mid-corner bumps or potholes. This clever suspension means you can enjoy your favorite backroads without worrying about subpar tarmac quality. It's like owning a rally car with the practicality of a truck bed. The magic lies in Multimatic's use of different spool valves to precisely control oil flow based on suspension response and acceleration. This system is all mechanical and finely tuned by decades of motorsport experience. Although designed for punishing high-speed off-roading, these shocks remain comfortable and even fun during normal driving. This is the Colorado ZR2's party piece, ridiculously fun driving dynamics. Well-appointed interior experience. The 2024 Colorado ZR2 offers a well-appointed interior, combining a healthy amount of screens with unique materials and touchpoints. The center touchscreen is flanked by 2 HVAC knobs with digital readouts for dual climate control, making it easy for passengers to quickly adjust temperature. Under the central touchscreen is a row of toggle switches controlling the ZR2's locking differentials, auto stop-start, and traction control. This inclusion of physical controls leads to a very user-friendly experience. There are exciting touches like the camo texture on the dashboard housing ZR2 badging. The seats are comfortable, and their heating and cooling functions are welcomed additions. Those air vents look lifted right from the Chevy Camaro, further adding to the special feeling. The configurable digital dash offers several modes with unique views of critical truck information, from minimalist displays showing only basics to full off-road readouts giving detailed ZR2 information. This blend of new and old creates an exciting interior space. The ultimate midsize super truck. The 2024 Chevy Colorado ZR2 is the most exciting midsize truck on the market today, combining off-road capability with superb driving dynamics to create the ultimate fun-to-drive truck. Thanks to its smaller size and unique Multimatic suspension system, the Colorado ZR2 is your daily driven rally car, complete with the practicality of a truck bed. 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque from Chevy's brilliant 2.7-litre Turbo 4. 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. Legendary Multimatic spool valve shocks, delivering motorsport-derived suspension. Locking differentials and serious off-road hardware. Comfortable, well-appointed interior with physical controls and configurable digital displays. When it comes to playful driving dynamics, it's hard to beat the Colorado ZR2. Although this super truck was built for off-road performance, its on-road fun factor eclipses almost every other truck on the market today. This is one of those unique cases where adding off-road capability improved on road dynamics as well. The 2024 Chivy Colorado ZR2, the perfect-sized super truck. This is Bikeverse, and this is mid-size performance perfected. Drive legendary.